It's very easy to control as long as you know how to control a car. One day, that could be me. Now Rlaarlo have sent me a care package. I didn't pay for these. I do actually have a carbon fiber roller coming, and I also have some other parts because I want to participate in a speed run this year. I've independently purchased an X6FG. This is a Dumbo RC, which should be compatible with the Rlaarlo radio. Now the G stands for gyro. Now aside from that, Rlaarlo have sent me a X6DC, which is their light controller, but there's no G in that, and by Dumbo RC's naming convention, without a G there's no gyro. I appreciate that, but I'd like to try this thing with a gyro once we start adding power, and we are going to add power. Now I've got a few things to show you here. We still have stock gearing today, but I will be running this at some point soon, which is the 52 spur and a 40, was it? 40 tooth pinion, but I have up to a 50 tooth pinion. Now we've still got the original receiver, but I've rerouted that receiver wire straight through its own little tube here, and it's loose, but it's separate from any wire underneath or on top. That should give us the reception that we were lacking. You'll also see I have my Copperhead 10 ESC here, courtesy of Scott. Thank you, Scott, from USA, a viewer from USA, very much appreciated. But I wanted to tell you something else. This is the HPI jump shot. Why are you seeing the jump shot today? Well, it had a brushless conversion recently. It's a 4000 kV brushless system. But of particular note is the Rlaarlo ESC that you can see in there. That has been running in here flawlessly. I've had no problems with cutouts. So that's the good news. No more cutouts with the ESC, and I believe that the radio antenna was the cause of the cutouts. We're at the course today. I still have stock gearing, stock motor, and the Copperhead 10. Let's just make sure that we've got these cutout problems licked before we start playing with speed runs. Because I have my alloy version here, but I do have a carbon fiber roller coming, and we've got some fairly lengthy motors and big gearing and big ESCs to try with. Let's get this on the track first, and we'll see how it goes on 3S. Okay, fully charged batteries in the radio. Fully charged Rlaarlo battery. It's only a 25C, but I think it'll be enough. There we go. All right. Everything's secure. This Velcro on the side's great for lining it up. Everything's bang on. Rear aligned. Okay. This is the very first run with the Copperhead 10. Oh, it's nice. It's so nice. Now I'm sorry I can't get the whole track in for you. I've tried to at least get the straight and the bright parts of the track, and I'll zoom it as we go. Wow! I'm rusty as an old nail here. This is going to take some getting used to. Sounds good, doesn't it? Well, I think the radio is sorted. We haven't had any cutouts. That's good news. I don't know if it's me, but I'm having some problems keeping it straight. I don't remember having these problems last time. Could just be that the tyres are cold. I'm just going to go stick some racing slicks on, it could be the problem. I kind of hurt my body today. It's had a bunch of scrapes, poor old car. I did find these racing slicks really helped. The ground's actually kind of cool, we're entering winter here. The sun's nice and warm, but the ground's still actually cool to the touch. I found after just spinning the tyres quite a bit and they warmed up, then it'd hook in and I'd have a good few laps. But as soon as I stopped driving, it'd be all squiggly again. Same with the stock tyres, but I think the road slicks were better. The current state of the car is stock gearing, stock everything, apart from the tyres and also the Copperhead 10. One issue I had today with this was coming out of corners constantly, it was lifting the inside wheel. A sway bar is supposed to help with that. And again, I'd really like to see a firmer sway bar here because it's lifting a wheel as it comes out of a corner, which is a real issue. As it comes around, it'll be hard down on the inside, so the car kind of presses down, but then that lifts the other side of the front and it'd spin out. The point of the sway bars is to correct that and draw the whole vehicle down. And they could be functioning, but just really soft, but they're just not enough. Now, I don't think I drilled this home overly clearly last time in my first video because the ESC cutouts really got in the way. Now that we've identified the problem was just the antenna was getting mixed signals, there was interference, radio interference. Now that that's been sorted, I can really just drive the car and enjoy it without interruption. And I really just want to drill home how nice of a car this is. Even though their pre-sales ended, you can still get 10% off. I've got a code below, use it, thank you. If you're thinking about it. I've actually just bought another roller for this. I'm actually quite a fan of this car. Now, if you're wondering, oh, he's just sponsored by Rlaarlo, well, yeah, I am. They gave me the car, but that's all they gave me. I'm not getting paid to make these videos. If you make a purchase, I might make $10 or $12. That's it. My channel doesn't sell a lot of these cars. So unless you think this is a financial gain thing, as much as you feel you can trust me, honestly it's not. I've been critical of Rlaarlo's cars in the past where it's deserved it. When we found fixes, we've applied them, I've showed you that. We had that with the 006, we've done the 005 upgrade, the AR14 I think it was, that buggy. These had little issues and once they were worked out, they were sweet. This also had a little issue and once it's worked out, oh man. As I say, I like this so much, I've actually put my own money back into buying this. I've given Rlaarlo maybe $300 US recently because I've bought the carbon fiber roller. I want to keep playing with this platform. I am a fan. As far as value for money goes, it's really up there. It really is. I've played with a few different road cars on this channel and on this very track here. It's a great track. This is a great car. For what it's worth, as much as you feel you might be able to trust me, I recommend this car. See the description below, I've got a link to it where I will get a small commission if you make a purchase through their site. Thank you for using that. Next video we're going to come back with, well, I've got a lot of stuff for it. I've got the roller, I've got some really big motors. This is a 3650, yeah. I've got a 3674. I even have a 4290 that I was toying with cutting and just for giggles, you know, just to see what I could fit in there. I'm going to be playing with this. We're going to fit a gyro. I'm going to see if I can get stiffer front sway bar going for it. I'll just share with you more as I get to it because the car is deserving of the time. It really is. Stay tuned also for the Rlaarlo speed run that's coming next month. That's June. And also the, I don't know what I can't remember what they're calling it, but there's the Make It Pretty, Make It Rlaarlo branded. I've got a clear body that I've purchased with my money. I'm gonna have a go at that too. I've got a few ideas on how to make this thing really look good. So thank you for watching, throw me a like, and I'll catch you again right here on RC-TNT. Cheers guys. It's really hard to bring up to full. I haven't got to full speed yet. Hey Scott, thanks for this ESC, my friend. It's amazing. Now I just need the driving to match. I didn't get past about half throttle then. Oh boy.